got black people losing their minds all over the country. We had a brother in Harlem with a tiger in his apartment. What kind of new Negro is that? When did we start that? Did you get the email? I didn't get it. Black people don't with wild animals. Come on. See, that's what happens when you smoke too much weed and watch Discovery Channel. You start coming up like crazy shit like, yo, watch, dog, I'm gonna get a tiger, watch. When I get my check on Thursday, oh, I'll be walking down 125th Street with my tiger like, hey, it's me and my tiger, baby. This motherfucker had a tiger in the project. If you know anything about the project, what was up with his neighbors? How do you not know that the dude in 3B got a tiger? How do you miss that? You know, because the tiger ain't gonna just chill out all day and smoke weed and play Scrabble. No. He gonna let you know, hey, I'm here. It's a tiger in the vicinity. I mean, what you thought that he was just inside of his girlfriend, that she was roaring? You get home in the middle of the night, all you hear, you got the glass up.